Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. And if you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, then you're at the right place. iExamBee provides you coaching for various examinations like SEBI, RBI, IBPS, SO, IBPS, RRB. All these institutions are having the post of law officer, and for these the exams are conducted and iExamBee provides you ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज फॉर द सेम. आप इन कोर्सेज के डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.iexambi.com. In case of any queries, details, you can write us an email on hello@iexambi.com. You can also call us on this number 9205524028, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Legal Bee. Stay tuned to Legal Bee and check out all the amazing videos, strategic preparation videos and content videos where we help you in your preparation for the examinations. कोई भी doubts हो, you can reach out to us in the comment section of the video as well, and download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I have started a descriptive answer writing series at iExamBee's Legal Bee. आप इनमें से काफ़ी सारे आंसर्स चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. I have discussed question as well as sample answer from different topics that I have been covering. This is my 21st video in which I am taking a topic from Indian Penal Code. For SEBI examination, which is very nearly approaching, in that this video series is very beneficial as you have the descriptive section. इंडियन पिनल कोड आपका ओल्ड सिलेबस ही आपको पढ़ना है. फिर भी अगर हम देखें तो डिफेमेशन में एज सच कोई भी चेंज एज सच नहीं आया है. जस्ट देयर इज अ स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज इन भारतीय न्याय संहिता दैट दे हैव कंबाइंड द सेक्शंस टुगेदर एंड सेक्शन नंबर चेंज हुआ है. कॉन्सेप्ट में ऐसा एज सच कोई ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं है. व्हाट इज डिफेमेशन? Discuss the exceptions to defamation. Start with an introduction. The defamation law is covered under section 499 to 502 of IPC. बता सकते हैं आप पहले. It is to be remembered that defamation is both tort as well as a crime. You can mention in the background itself that it is a civil as well as a offense. Civil defamation as well as criminal defamation, both are there. When we come to IPC, then we are talking about the defamation which is the criminal defamation. Defamation meaning 499 consists of the definition of defamation. Following are the essential ingredients: making or publishing any imputation concerning any person. Such imputation must have been made by words spoken or written, signs or visible representation. Such imputations must have been made either with the intention to harm or knowing or having reason to believe that it will harm the reputation of the person concerning whom it is made. Defamation is punishable under section 500 of IPC with imprisonment up to 2 years or fine or both. There are two forms of defamation, which are libel in the written form and slander in the verbal form. So here you have given all the basics that are important about defamation with the section numbers and with the basic ingredients. Now coming to the exceptions to the offense of defamation. Here I have enlisted the 10 exceptions that are there, which are covered in the criminal law in IPC. First is imputation of truth which public good requires to be made or published. ये सारे exceptions as it is दिए हुए हैं. अगर आपको स्पेसिफिकली क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि एक्सेप्शंस देने हैं तो आपको ये सारे मेंशन करना ज़रूरी हो जाता है. सेकेंड, पब्लिक कंडक्ट ऑफ अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट, कंडक्ट ऑफ एनी पर्सन अप्रोचिंग एनी पब्लिक क्वेश्चन, publication of reports or proceedings of courts, merits of a case decided in court or conduct of witnesses and other related to the case, merits of public performance, censure passed in good faith by a person having lawful authority over another, accusation desired in good faith to authorized person, imputation made in good faith by a person for the protection of his or other interests, caution intended for good of a person to whom conveyed or the public good. So these are the 10 exceptions that are available to the offense of defamation. अब हमारी वर्ड लिमिट कम है. वी जस्ट हैव टू सम अप विद इन 250 to 300 वर्ड्स. सो वी विल सम इट अप लाइक दिस. अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा वर्ड लिमिट है तो आप इसको एलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं. Now you can conclude with one important point that defamation is bailable, non-cognizable and a compoundable offence. In Maulik Kotak versus State of Maharashtra, the Bombay High Court has held that a defamation complaint is to be lodged by the person aggrieved and the person defamed and not by any other person. बिकॉज ये नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस है, कंपाउंडेबल है एंड बेलेबल है. तो ये पॉइंट हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे कंक्लूजन में कवर कर लिया है. एंड लाइक दिस, विद इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट वर्ड लिमिट, वी हैव completed a very nice and systematic answer to the question. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned to LegalBee. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out full course access available on our app as well. Thank you, everybody.